Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Queensway Single full arch door today. Wine cellar door today. Okay, so we're on our Queensway wine cellar door. This door can be used for interior use or wine cellar doors. This is a 36, from outside to outside, 36 inches by 96 inches. So from the top of the peak to all the way to the bottom is 96 inches. The reason why this is being used for interior wine cellar is because this is a 4-inch jamb, which means from outside to inside is 4 inches, and it does not have a threshold. This bar right here is a temporary threshold that we put on to keep the frame square during shipping and transit. If you notice, it's cut off from here, so this is where it sits either on your baseboard or it's gonna sit on top of your flooring or tile, whatever you guys have. That allows you to have continuous flooring from the hallway, the room, wherever it's at, into the wine room. Now, this is all solid flat bars that we're using. This is a solid metal pull handle, which is duplicated on the inside. These are all solid pickets also, or actually solid 1-bys, all twisted and welded together. It's all handmade, guys. This is all of our doors. People still think that these doors are made by machines, but this is all truly 100% handmade. Even this guy, you know, it's like it goes into a hydraulic press we use now, and we actually twist the rods, cut it off, weld the knuckles, put the rods in, bend it. This is all truly 100% handmade, just like how my dad used to make them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This door is oil rub bronze, clear glass, not low-E for interior use, so it doesn't have reflection. Different glass types are available, and different colors of the door are available also. Let me flip this around and show you guys what the backside looks like. Okay, so we're on the backside of the Queensway full arch door. Show you guys how the glass opens. Twist the knobs. There's another one here. Glass opens up, makes it easy to clean. Now, one thing I need to tell you guys is typically on wine cellar doors, you know, we tell customers to possibly open it outside the wine cellar. This obviously goes into a larger wine cellar and there's a lot more room, and this one's opening inside. But we just keep that in mind. If you guys need them to open out or open in, makes a big difference. Roller catches, these guys act as your latch, and they keep your door shut when the deadbolt is not activated, it's not locked. Different pull handles are available on these doors. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think different shapes are definitely available on this door. Sorry, I'm getting distracted, these guys in the back working. But if you guys have any if you guys want to customize this door, you can definitely customize this door, take the glass all the way down, eliminate the kick panel under the custom order tab if needed. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next door. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Queensway wine cellar door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.